Whoa!
Look at that. It's like a punching bag. So this shows you how cold it really is outside. We left this outside for 15 minutes. Crunch that we have right now that's good enough to make Rita's water ice, which is free right down the street and in many locations for the first day of spring. Well, this crunch, that cycling effect just right around the Caitlin Acres area, just north of Westminster. This is going to come up towards Brummel. This is a problem. We have some hail that's most likely falling out of this storm. It's probably pea-sized hail that we're seeing at the moment. Still expect those outages at least during the overnight hours because you can obviously see out here, and you can hear in this microphone that the wind is just relentless. Those gusts are still upwards of 40 to 50 miles per hour. This outer band, and it's going over some of the same locations, and that gives us freshwater flooding and storm surge flooding. All of this is being pushed up some of these channels near New Bern. We had storm surge last night recorded at 9.63 feet. That flooded a television station. Skull and crossbone look inside the middle of that eye as it comes ashore, giving us that third strongest landfalling hurricane pressure at 919 millibars. There's no real waves in here, and you're looking for dark patches of water. When you see those dark patches of water, that's one of those narrow rivers that's under there that can pull you out. This is the best part about having snow across the area. So you can see we're having some fun out here in Baltimore County.
Tomorrow, Eric, a good day, yeah?
Yeah, a good day. I had to even get in the Christmas spirit, so I wrapped myself up with a little bit of wrapping paper here, and it looks like we'll be A-okay for Santa Claus coming to town tonight. The wind, because if we did have the wind, we would have blizzard-like conditions out here, which would reduce the visibility even more across the area. Have your shades on today?
I did.
Windows down, radio up?
Yes.
Windows down, radio up. All right, so
oh man, come on, that was great. Come on, look at, oh, here we go.
Now from WMAR 2 News, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
Well, finally, we actually had a day without severe weather around here, and it's truly been a busy stretch over the last couple of weeks. Over 516 reports of tornadoes alone in the month of May. 1,008 reports so far for the year. The yearly average is 1,001. This is the busiest season since 2008. And speaking of tornadoes, we've had 5 of which since January 1st of 2019 here in Maryland, 2 of which came yesterday. Glen Elg as well as Iamsville and portions of Frederick County in EF1 and also in EF0. We had Moncton, Ferrellsburg, and Columbia to add to the mix. 2 of those tornadoes alone in Howard County in a matter of 2 weeks, so definitely a busy stretch of weather. All smiles here today, though. High temperatures in the mid-80s, 85 degrees. 78 is the normal, 97 is the record back in 2011. 73 outside right now. A little bit of a mugginess factor to deal with during the overnight hours, but don't you worry, it will go back down as we get towards tomorrow. Winds are relatively calm, so not too bad out there. Temperatures hanging in the lower 60s up towards the PA-Maryland line. Still around 70. Pasadena over to Glen Burnie, out through downtown, and even down towards Annapolis on Dock Street, 76 degrees. That is the warm spot. 70 there in Ocean City on the boards. The showers have stayed away. We had a weak area of high pressure and control that remains in place. Northerly to northwesterly breezes dragging in cooler and drier air front locked up here to the north. That will eventually get down here as we get towards your Sunday. Give us a continued chance of showers and thunderstorms. And by the way, Atlantic hurricane season kicks off tomorrow. And yes, we're watching a little area down here for some development that's going to move into the Gulf of Mexico. We'll have to keep an eye on that, at least for South Texas, over the next couple of days ahead. Around here, it is quiet for your Saturday. The showers and thunderstorms do stay away. Can't rule out a stray shower along the PA-Maryland line late, but a better chance of showers and thunderstorms by the time we get towards Sunday afternoon. Not looking at any severe weather across the area, just a run-of-the-mill showers and storms. Temps in the 50s and 60s tonight. 10-miler tomorrow starts out comfortable, gets hot in the afternoon, highs in the mid to upper 80s. Your 7-day forecast looks like this. Once we get the showers and storms out by Sunday and Sunday, we have a little bit of a treat there. Monday and Tuesday, high temps in the low to middle 70s. Overnight lows in the upper 40s for some of us, so good nights to sleep. And then back into the heat and humidity Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
All right, looks good to me. I'll take it.
I'll take that, and I'll take a new school.